Hey Radar Cars family. Hey Radar Cars family, are you tired of doing this? How about this? Or maybe a little bit of this? Then it's time for you to get this. This is the QuickJack BL5000 SLX. And this does all of that work for you in a fraction of the time, a lot less dangerously, and with a lot less effort. This particular model can lift 5,000 pounds, and it can hold it there as well, with 2 different settings. It is the ultimate car jack and support system. This is great for your garage or great for the track. It sets up and operates in seconds. It's relatively lightweight, asterisk, and it's easy to transport. It has built-in wheels, so this guy can drag it thusly. It's quiet, and in general, I find it to be awesome. Let's take a look at what's in the box. Comes in 3 boxes. Take a note, this one's for the left frame, this one's for the right frame. There is a difference. All right, pretty nice manual. Over 70 pages, all English, good illustrations, nice wax paper, quality manual. Okay, pressurize the air cylinders to about 40 to 50 psi. I'm setting mine to about 43 just to be on the safe side. Connect the short hydraulic hose to the elbow fitting. Connect the quick connector to the short hydraulic hose. Install the quick connects on the power unit. Fill up the power unit with hydraulic oil. Go through this ridiculous procedure to drain the hydraulic cylinder. Make sure you follow the directions and use 2 people for this. I am a man. Just kidding. Connect the long and short hydraulic hoses. Connect to the power unit. Make sure the hydraulic fluid bleeder is open. Place the short lifting blocks on the lift because your Mustang is low as... Alright, let's try her out. So it should be a bit erratic for the first couple of times till we get all the air bled out. So you have to, put it up and down a few times. Then we'll bleed the hydraulic cylinders, and then it should be smoother. It's important that we don't lift the QuickJack all the way up without a load on it, or you might have a problem getting it down. And down. All right, the driver's side one was a bit erratic, but I raised it and lowered it and bled the hydraulic cylinder a couple of times, and now it seems to be smoother, so let's take a look. Much smoother this time. So you use these included handles to position the rails under the jacking points. All right, as our buddy Ryan says from Shelby Exotics, let her rip, Tater Chip. All right, that's locked in the first jacking point. As you can see, the car lifts up. I mean, that is super fast. I cannot tell you, actually I can tell you, I can just show you how much faster that is and how much safer that is than regular jacks. Bye-bye, regular jacks. Okay, I'm just gonna check it, make sure there's no leaks, make sure nothing looks off, just to be safe before I go to the highest setting. This actually works really well with the BMR jacking rails. You can move it around to different locations. You don't have to worry about being exactly on the pinch weld. All right, let's bring it up to the highest setting. That is really high up there, really effortlessly. Loving these QuickJacks so far, guys. You got so much space under there. It's like way off the ground compared to the jacks. I mean, you could do pretty much everything that you need to do under there. Starting with that X pipe, which is sitting way over there. And now that I have these hooked up, I can install. So we'll do oil changes with these. We'll do the X pipe. I'd like to do a carbon fiber drive shaft. Lots of stuff. I'm gonna take off the wheels and clean the rims. As you can tell, they are filthy, but you don't have to break your back to do that. I am not sure if this can get wet, but if you can keep it relatively dry, this really makes the car easier to wash. I'm not sure if that's a good idea. I'm gonna have to run it by them to ask if that would be okay. My guess is it's probably not, but at least you can, clean your rims without breaking your back. Loving this QuickJack. So as you can see, the car goes about a foot backwards. So you gotta make sure that you have enough clearance here and enough clearance in the back because the car's gonna go backwards. All right, let's lower her back down. So to lower back down, first you got to raise her up. Just enough so you can reset these safety locks. Awesome. Totally worth the price paid. These are the 5,000-pound jacks. Can't say enough good things about them. So much clearance underneath. The car goes up so quickly, it's like that. Comes down really quick as well. How much time have I just saved by doing this? And not to mention also safety as well. And also not to mention much more clearance. Love these. This thing will make your life easier in every way. That is why I am giving this a 5-star rating, a perfect rating for an awesome product. Every guy should have one of these in their garage or in your truck for the track, without exception. Go buy it now. I'm putting a link in the description below. All right, guys, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary. Except for to this plant. What? No plants were harmed in this production, except for this big tree right here, which I just kicked its ass.